Yazi lana inkinga yini ne? Inkinga ukuthi ubaba Ndabe clearly has a relationship with Umusa, knows Umusa. So that is why the approach yakhe to this whole counseling is to say things that would rather be pleasing to Umusa without actually confronting Umusa naye ngezinto zakhe, ngokumkhola into order ngezinto zakhe. Ngifeel ungazathi biased. I'm sorry, Shem. I'm sorry, but ngifeel ungazathi ubaba Ndabe biased. They should have found someone who is neutral. Like yabona uSisinonto just listens. Akanama edition, akana just listens to you, pour out, abuze the relevant questions, advice akon. But not ubaba Ndabe. Ubaba Ndabe is team Musa. Team, I wanna please Musa. I wanna say the things that Musa wants to hear. That's all nje. Akekho in favor of the wives nje. Ilapho ayikho nje enye, akuna edition futhi akuna subscription, akuna edition, akuna subscription, ilapho. Anyways, because please don't forget that I sell car insurance. If you're looking for car insurance, DM me with your names, contact details, and also car details. What else happened yesterday? Umusa inkinga yakhe enye. Ngima ama-diary say, Booty, your diary sessions. Booty, your diary sessions, nothing much. The things that you say on our diary sessions. That's all, Jay. That is all.
Let's talk Uthando Nesthembu. First things first, let's start with retreat. How is it that Umacele thinks that the painting was supposed to be hers? Like the painting, it was supposed to be directed at her pale, like not with other wives on the painting. Kanti Umacele uphila kumuphi umhlaba lo abanye abafazi bangaphili kuwo? Umacele uphila kuphi, guys? Because wasn't the retreat for all the wives? Isithembu sikaMusa noMusa. Inkinga ukuthi uMusa uqale wabeka uMacele kwindlu separate. Wasebeka labanye abafazi ukuthi bashare. Kanti uMacele akusiwo umfazi, one of the wives yani. So why is she also staying in a different room? Inkinga iqala lapho. And how are they going to be united? How do you expect these other wives to love the first wife and to see the first wife as their fellow wife? If we're not her first wife, mania go retreat like on like a mini holiday retreat, and then ubabeka in a separate house, and you book an extra luxury house for Umacele that is different from the other ones. How do you expect the other wives not to be jealous or to despise Umacele if you are doing that? Kahle Musamseleko is the one that's causing division amongst his wives. And for some reason, a part of me doesn't blame Umacele, because some of the things that Musa does makes Umacele vele ukuthi acabanga ukuthi the painting was supposed to be about her, because you put me in a separate house, as in to show you like yabona ukuthi in any, and then I paint ngiyakhala. That's why I bekhala shrim ngiyakhala. And then when you paint yours, I see sisonke kodwa we are in a separate house. Mhlambe Macele thought ukuthi Umusa, the same session they having, Umusa is gonna have the same private session nabanye abakhosikazi abakhe. You get me? I don't know if I make sense, because it's unfair. Okay, you're making this one session where bend, but that one session where you debrief with the psychologist or the therapist, we end on Macele kuphela one-on-one, where you present your paint. Kodwa lababanye, it's not shown where they do a one-on-one debriefing of the paint. It's just Umacele, and I just don't understand how. Unless on the show, Vele, we were not shown those parts. But I get so much because if it was about all the other wives, then the painting would have been for all the other wives, and one-on-one done for all these other wives. but then eyakhe kuphela. So meaning ukuthi you are confusing me. I thought I'm the only wise, and laba abanye abakhosikazi yingane zethu esisiqashile. Because at this point, Umacele is acting like umamezala walaba abanye, especially when it comes to Makwela. Also, Makwela, that's another topic for another day, but can you imagine how that girl feels? Abantu bayiswa kuma-retreat, bathengelwe imizi. You understand ukuthi Sithembu kodwa man. Not everyone is going to be uzamaduma, guys. Because what do you mean? And remember, she's going to watch the show. Abone lama retreats, abone ini. Guys. But Oksala Umacele is the one that is deluded at this point, because how did you think ukuthi it's how she says une family yake aside, unomshado wakhe aside, apart from whether you like it or not, this table hlangene nabanye abafazi. That's what it is.
I know I promised myself that I'd stop doing commentary about Uthando Nesthembu because that show just like rage baits me. But guys, it's very important to seek professional help from qualified people. So if it's relating to mental health and whatnot, it is absolutely critical that you go see a qualified psychologist, psychiatrist, therapist, someone who went to school, has the proper training and has the proper qualifications. I don't know if Ubamdabe has it, but the manner in which he's guiding this therapy session doesn't give me confidence of that. Also doesn't give me confidence that he's trying to bring the family back together. I like from just like all of the things that I've seen, all the episodes I've seen that he's trying to guide this conversation, it's very much not holding Ubaba Mselegu accountable, but trying to pull account or demand accountability from all of the wives except Umacele. It's very biased, and that's why it's important also when you're bringing in an external person into family matters. Very important to bring a qualified and an unbiased person, because they are able to hold everyone accountable equally. The advice that he gave now, and it's at episode 15 in the conversation with Mselegu, was just worrying. Because one, he did a diagnosis of what's wrong and what's right of all of the wives. On what grounds? Secondly, the only person he spoke highly of is Umacele. All of the other wives, he had something good to say just to start off the conversation and just went like completely off track. Because what do you mean Umangwabe is a child? She's a grown woman, married with kids. What do you mean? That thing that he said about Shibase was so weird. So weird, because it doesn't take into consideration the mental health aspect of it, the triggers, the which led to this. Also, not holding Umselegu accountable for anything. I can tell you now, and in the conversation abanayo, I don't see how what he said will bring the family back together. Kuna lokho izo cause division kakulu, because all of the wives will watch this episode. I can tell you now, Umacele is still going to have an inflated ego because of what he said. No accountability there, which means she's going to carry on doing what she's doing. This doesn't help the family at all. He's going to piss off Shibase, and Shibase got a right in Umselegu, and she's going to go back to fight mode once again. Lenda ishilo umangabe ngiyazi kumangwabo akayidlali igame, akayithanda ebheke eceleni. This thing of saying Mangabe is a child, that's going to piss her off. What he said about Umakumalo, really not enough, didn't shift the needle. Kuna loko, enabling Umselegu to go and further still blame Umakumalo. Like it was just, yeah. I think the focus, for me, Usisnondo, if she is a qualified therapist should have been the person. And also you see the difference with how Ubab Ndabe and Sis Nondo lead the conversation. Sis Nondo Yabona, she's addressing core issue, underlying issues, root causes to help bring the family together. Ubab Ndabe is just very biased. You can see Uguti, he loves and respects Umacele as the matriarch, so high regard there. Even there was a weird thing that happened where Ubamdabe at the end, he went Macele, he went Shibase, then he went to Mangwabe Watsufun Makumalo. Wam correct himself what no Makumalo, because he understands there's an order in how I address my wives. And he was like, no, I want to Makumalo. Do you understand the issues this is going to create? When they sit and they watch, Makumalo is going to be like, for what reason? Because nalento ishilo ayina significance ngaleyo ndlela equalifya ukuthi uzogcina ngami. For what reason? Anyway, big flop. I have major respect for Ubab Ndabe as a person, as an adult, but his presence in this reunion and in the effort of trying to bring the family together, he did nothing. He did not hold Mtombeni accountable in any way. You could see clearly that he's coming in with preconceived biases about the wives based on knowledge anayo of his intezenzakalayo in the family. And you can see within himself a personal ranking of how he ranks the wives in terms of how he respects and sees them and views them. So that was definitely not a space where the wives could say their piece and then we collectively say, how do we address this as a collective and how do we move forward? Zero. Anyway, in Pumanalo, I think it's very important to go to a qualified person when it comes to therapy, when it comes to mental health issues. Yeah, because, very weird that happened.
My tired is tired. Guys, may such marriages never locate me. Can they please never locate me? Mayeni, if you listen to her, she's dropping gems, guys. Whether it be for the newbies dating her son or the oldies that have been there. My tired is tired. I'm saying look who's toxic, guys. Eh? I'm saying look who's toxic. Say pataka Makaela. Makaela upadezidilo wala. Tabu Makwela. Kamali Makwela, her family is like, he came as a counselor. He finished his campaign and then he disappeared. Because we're still sitting here with his wife and his kids, taking care of them. Makwela was no, me and my man, we spoke. He told me this is going to be hard. But is she ready to die on this hill? So he's already saying her job is to create children. I want ingani. That's what she's here for. So she's just going to keep zalaring from her family homestead when she should be in her own home. And yes, I do think her family was very disrespectful. Her family was very disrespectful, saying soft, lenient. Those are other women's, those are other families' children. Those wives that Umselegu has are other families' children. Would you appreciate it the day Umselegu is less lenient and harsh towards Inganian? Like, I think this concept of people feeling like certain things are okay as long as it ain't my kid, as long as it ain't affecting me directly. We need to stop this mindset. It's so disgusting. It's so disgusting. And because yes, you're speaking your truth. Okay, we're waiting. What's the plan? What's happening? She's the source. She needs to tell you what her and her man discussed. But I would imagine the other wives. What are you teaching this new wife as well? To look at the other wives as? No, she must be respectful. So she must respect them too. So you guys can't speak ill of women that have lived this journey. They've gone through this journey. And if anything, this should highlight the fact that it's taking this long and this is not going according to plan or how everyone understood. I'm not shocked if he promised things that he did not need to be promising, because we know Gutumselo has a history of kulmamanga. We all know this. So there's nothing I can tell about any yoguti. And secondly, also, this should highlight are you sure Nganino is going to a safe and full home, a wholesome home? That's all I've got to ask. And also, what was up with Linda Dandabe? Never ever. That was a useless therapy session. One, the therapist never said a damn thing. She never said anything. Never said anything. When all these women, Makhumalo, Mangwabe, Mayen, and then eventually Matele spoke about her earth leaking. She didn't have problems, you know, she's happy. No makhala lengale when she spoke in her check-in with the psychologist. This useless psychologist who's quiet. I am honestly so disappointed. There's so many things that those women raised at that round table nonsense, that formal meet up. I'm not surprised to imagine no Mangwabe sekadlala bo Candy Crush, sekadlala ama game like Mayeni used to, because she's bored. She knows these things are pointless as in Dao. They are not helping us. He's just there to have his comrades help him and highlight how good he is and how happy they should be. How all those women highlighted a problem, and was it ever pointed back to Ntate Mseleku? It wasn't. Like, what the fuck are they not saying? Did you hear what Makhumalo said? What is your rebuttal? What do you got to say? Don't you want to comfort your wife in this moment? Awufuna ukukhuluma nomfazi wakho, awufuna ukuxolisa, awufuna ukuthi nibe nibona izinto ngosolinye, as they saying. Don't you want to be on the same page? Huh? Your wife is saying ukuthi, I have been told ukuthi mina I'm failing as a wife because I angizalanga. Huh? And you're not saying anything. Omunye yasho ukuthi mina we were told ukuthi uMacele did 1 2 3. Huh? He doesn't work. Basically, there's just abuse that's going on, and everyone must just figure out and that's why it's pointless to say what the problems are. It's utterly pointless. On top of that, the medical aid will happen, the financials, which we all know who has been sustaining them financially, but he never wants to acknowledge that. And even now, he's still backtracking on the things he said in his confessionals. Allah, right next to him, he still is backtracking on those things. Babake, no, guys, Babake is mad. Oh, he's so toxic. Like, he is truly, like Mangwabe used to say in the past. He is truly the reason why he is letting them fight amongst each other. He's breaking his family apart. He claims he wants unity, but how do you get unity when you're making these women work against each other? You're pitting them against one another. The head wife said this. How is that fixing anything? I even said it in my last review, Guti. You're not protecting no Makhumalo. Even if Makhumalo had said those things about Makwela, that, hey, the child needs a DNA. Hey, Makwela needs to be dumped and all that. Why are you letting us know these things? It's going to be there forever for everyone to see and for everyone to feel. Do you ever think Makwela will be right no Makhumalo? As men, we all see the ridiculousness. That's why Libalaba Tuba gets their own camaraderie. Because Washa Keke, it's problems there. Things will never change, you know. So it's honestly very, very disappointing. But SAS, they're staying there for whatever reasons or whatever benefit they're getting. But in all reality, it's just toxicity galore. There's professionals that I feel are just planted and not doing anything. I don't think they were there to help provide a solution or to help that family to grow or to do better. Because a lot of these things obviously is at the center of. I never once saw them pivot and say, okay, so what's your response? How do we fix this? How do we make this better for this family? They were hurt. That they plight and their complaints didn't fall on deaf ears, as usual. The whole point of having a mediator, a therapist, another party, a neutral, unbiased party, is that they're going to hear everyone and everyone's going to feel safe in that environment. I would imagine you're protecting Lorna. In front of everyone. I'm sorry, that session, those sessions were so pointless. And I also would have taken out my phone and played games. I would have. On top of that, why does he want a government medical aid? Maybe there's something I don't know about. Because two wives are like, hey, we put you on our private company once. I say, yeah, why does he want the government medical aid? What's so special about it? Maybe you guys can educate me. Teach me. Teach each one. All of that. Teach me. Help me. But I was bored. I'm over it. My tide is also tired. Each week it's something. Each week it is truly something. And that's it. I'll see y'all on the next review. Bye. Love y'all.
Hey, we're still on a retreat on Uthando Nesithembu. Listen, so I wish Ngabe Uthando Nesithembu is probably 1 hour instead of 30 minutes. Because this retreat, it feels like it's been a retreat for a very long time. Reason being is, if it's an hour, the retreat could have been on 2 episodes. But now, because the show is literally 30 minutes, they have to cut scenes from the retreat, and probably they may extend to 4, 5, or even 6 episodes. And I think that affects you as a viewer because you end up getting fatigue. As a viewer, you do get fatigue when you see a show evolving around one setting. So already some people, including myself, I wish like we could move on to something else and step away from that setting of the retreat. As much as the conversations are interesting, but I think as a viewer, you get fatigue of seeing the same setting. Whereas if it, hence on housewives usually, if they have a trip, because it's 1 hour, it makes sense for a trip to be on 2 episodes. You see it on episode 12, maybe 11 and 12, and then you know it's done. But because this show is 30 minutes, you're forced to watch this retreat for like 6 episodes. And I already want to see something else. Anyway, so that's what's happening. I wish the show could have been is probably an hour. Ubabundabe ubeseza kahle. Ewavela imosha uthi no man, basically it's giving compliments to every wife, which was something nice, you know. And then he's like, hey, Mayeni, her arrogance and her toxicity and don't. I'm just like, sir. Why not tell him Sileni? Why not tell him Sileni? Because, you know what? There are things where I agree with him. For example, this episode is telling himself, if you apologize, be a person who apologizes without reservations and whatnot. There are certain things where I agree with him, but there's sometimes I'm just like, sir, hey, it seems like brief please fight my battles. There's certain things I can't say, but I know you can say them, and like that's how I feel. Okay, I also noticed Utumayeni in her conversation with the therapist, which she's really hurt, but also being hurt, I do feel like she's in a better state than previous seasons. There's a sense of contentment and peace. As much as she's angry, but you can tell Uti, she has peace, or maybe she has made peace with the current situation. Which as in, it is what it is. Hey, yeah. So to say mina sethi yeah ingane bazidla no like bethwale gazo. I was just like, oh okay, that's scary. That's scary. But there's something also concerning that she said, Uti, her husband usually comes in, confronts her about something in front of the kids. Yeah, that is very concerning, okay? With regards to Macele, I don't have much to say. I just want to say there's a point whereby Macele was saying that, and I agree with her. She said everyone seems to have Umsali was selling a different vision to every wife, and I agree with her because it seems like everyone has a different vision of Isthembu, yabo, and whatnot. But I hope Macele is not one of those people who keep things ngoba izinto ziyaketch up now. 5 years later uyithola no high ngenxa ukuthi wena ufuna okwamanje awufuna ukubonakala ngathi umuntu omubi, awufuna ukuvoice out ama concerns wakho, yabo. I don't want a situation where she has to shrink herself for the sake of peace, or maybe she does not want to offend her husband, or maybe come across as if she's not on his side.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are reacting to uThando neSthembu. Ngalesi sikhathi when you're watching this show, honestly speaking, is this show scripted or what? Because they just do not make sense. Ebantwini labaningi. So people are just reacting to the show. Bakhuluma babeka mibono yabo. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.